I'm here today talking with Rich Winkler of Rich Winkler Painting and Decorating in Alexandria, Virginia. Rich, one of your specialties is historic buildings and houses.
Yeah, we work on a lot of early buildings. We're just in the process of working on Gatsby's Tavern now, and of course this is a building built before 1800. So yeah, we do a lot of old buildings.
And can you tell us about this building you're doing?
This is the old Bank of Alexandria building, and I believe it was built in the 1790s. And so the owner asked us if we could restore the windows. In the process of restoring the windows and the doors and the trim exterior. Yeah, the owner of the building contacted me and was very concerned about the quality of the work, especially on the upper floor, the third floor, where it's a long distance and it really requires a lot of tedious work, because those windows and trim are in the worst condition. So he specifically asked me to give him an estimate with that in mind. He wanted a very high quality job that would last a long time. So that's what we're focusing on here. And some of this side is 60 foot high in places, so 50 foot in other places. So it really requires a lot of experience and confidence, to be able to, do this job correctly.
Why would the highest windows not be in good condition? Is that because they were maybe neglected when it was painted in the past?
Yeah,
because they're so high?
Because people up that high don't want to spend too much time up there, and so they put less work into it, and plus the weather too. The higher up, the more weather the woodwork and trim, takes.
Is there any specific care that you give when doing restoration work that is different from more modern fixtures and trim?
Well, only that when you remove paint, for example, from these old buildings, there's a right way of doing it and there's an absolutely wrong way of doing it. And I've seen contractors do it the wrong way and just destroy the trim. And so we're very, very conscious of that and very, very careful in the way we remove the paint, so we don't disturb the woodwork, that we don't damage the woodwork in any way.